Morning students, I hope you are fine. Once again I remind you to wear mask, use sanitizer and keep social distancing, and also try to grow your immunity. Your immunity system should be strong by taking proper food, fresh vegetables and fresh fruits, because good health is the only asset at this tough time for all of us. That's why Publius Cyrus has said, good health and good sense are two of life's greatest blessings. With this beautiful quote, I wish you all a very warm morning. Welcome to today's class. Today we will study adjectives, which is the third chapter of your grammar book, Grammarite. Although adjectives are known to you, and in your previous class also you have gone through adjectives. So students, adjectives are qualifying words which qualifies nouns. It is generally used with the noun so that it can talk about the noun. An adjective is not only the qualifying words, it talks about quantity, color, number, and many other things. So we will follow the kinds of adjectives given in your book. There are 9 main kinds of adjectives, although cardinal and ordinal adjectives are used separately here, but these are the parts of adjectives of number. So there are 9 main kinds of adjectives, that is adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, which has 2 kinds, that is cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Then we have indefinite numeral adjectives, distributive numeral adjectives, possessive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives and emphasizing adjectives. So you already know about all these things. It's just a revision. So adjective of quality denotes the quality of a noun, like tall, red is the color, as I told, it will be also included, and here quality could be negative or positive, anything. Then adjective of quantity, these show the amount of measurement of a thing, that how much, how much, there is few, enough, much, this kind of words will be used. Then we have adjective of number. Adjective of number denotes the number, means how many of a person, of persons or things, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, billions, anything. These are of 2 kinds, like cardinal, it gives the exact number of persons and things, like 200, 10,000, 1 lakh, all these things. Ordinal numbers denote a rank or order, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like that. Then we have indefinite numeral adjectives. These adjectives do not denote an exact number of persons or things, like we talk like that, all the students are present, some men gathered for the funeral, any, this kind of things. Now distributive numeral adjectives, these adjectives denote distribution of things or persons and mean for each of the person or place, like each, every, either, neither. Like we talk about distribution of something, like the trophies are distributed among each of the children, or either of the answers is correct, like that. Then we have possessive adjectives. These adjectives modify a noun by speaking about its possession, like these talk about the noun whom it belongs to, like his, her, our, their, its, like that. Demonstrative adjectives point at nouns telling where they are. They talk about the noun answering which one, like this, these, that, those, etc. When we point to somebody, when we don't know the name of that particular person. Interrogative adjectives. These kind of adjectives are used with the nouns to ask questions like which, what, whose, where the answers will be noun or a pronoun. Not any kinds of interrogative words will be used here. Only those words which will answer noun or a pronoun. Emphasizing adjectives. These adjectives express strong feelings and emotions like very, own, etc. Now there are some points which has to be remembered, which are important regarding adjectives. Adjectives of quality usually come before the nouns they qualify. Like Ravi is an honest man, but sometimes they are separated also. In that way it will be written Ravi is honest. Some and any are used with both countable and uncountable nouns. In what way? You can see that there is some rice in the container, there is some milk in the bottle. Similarly, any will be also used in that way. There isn't any rice in the container, or there isn't any milk in the bottle. Okay, so some is used in questions when the expected answers are positive. In positive cases some are used, or in affirmative sentences. Affirmative declarative we have done recently, like I am going to have some coffee. But with the case of any, since it is used in questions or negative sentences, didn't you meet any friends? Okay, it should be friends. Didn't you meet any friends? So you have to take care about all these things. Another point is, much is used with uncountable nouns and many is used with countable nouns. Example, there isn't much oil in the container. Many boys came to help Rohit. Rohit was in danger. A little and few are used without the article a in a negative sense, but a little and a few are used in a positive sense. Like, I know little Hindi but can speak a few words of Tamil. Similarly, little and few are formally used sometimes. I am going to a tour with few people. Could you give me a little favor? Okay, so we are going to learn about adjectives up to here. In our next class, we will know about some other things which are important about an adjective. Like prefixes and suffixes are used with adjectives to form other words, and many other things we will know in our next class. So I hope you have understood, dear students. So going to wind up here. I'll send you the solved exercises also. You may tally your answers with that up to here, and rest of the part, since the chapter is big, so rest of the part we will do the another day. So going to wind up here. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Thank you.